Hi, good day. This video is about creating a crossover cable. A crossover cable is used to connect two similar devices, such as two personal computers, two routers, and two laptops. And here are the tools and materials needed. First, we have the crimper, we have the wire stripper, LAN cable tester, UTP category 5E cable, and RJ45. So we're going to follow this kind of color order. So for crossover cable, we are going to follow T568A, which has this color arrangement. We have white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. And for the other end, we're going to use the T568B color order, starting with white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to strip the cable by 2 inches. So let's say this using the wire stripper. Then our first job is to untwist those pair of wires. Then line them all up using the T568A color order, starting with white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. So line them all up. To provide enough room for the connector, cut the wire for almost half an inch using the wire cutter. Get the cable connector or the RJ45, the tip facing down. Carefully put it all the wires inside the cable connector. So again, let's have a simple look. White, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. Make sure that the insulation of the wire is underneath the plastic edge so that when I crimp it down, it will grab on the insulation and give the cable a strength. Using the crimper, press it firmly and you see it holds the insulation. Then the next thing we're going to do is for the other end. Again, for almost 1.5 inch or 2, untwist the wires. For this second, or for this another end, we're going to use or to follow the T568B color order, starting with white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. The same thing, line them all up. Then cut it for 1/2 inch. There you have it. To make sure that our cable works, we are going to test our cable using our LAN cable tester. So we have to put it in here, and the other end should be here. Then turn on. And it works, as you can see. Okay, so that is our crossover cable. Hopefully you learned something from this video, and for more video tutorials, you can check out my YouTube channel. And also, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.